Who's ready for a little life reset? Here's the deal. When we were like 6 weeks pregnant and we were telling some friends, one of the husbands asked me, oh, are you nesting yet? And I was like, no, definitely not. But as I am rounding out the first trimester, I think that nesting energy is entering my space. I'm starting to think about prepping a nursery. I'm starting to think about all the things that we need for this first baby. And I just wanna start with a very clean slate in our home. Before we bring anything new, I just wanna start with a clean, organized, tidy space. I just wanna do a little bit of cleaning, a lot of restocking, tidying, organizing. It's gonna be good. So now the question is, do we start with the big task or do we start with the small wins? I'm feeling very overwhelmed by the linen closet. We gotta do it, we gotta do it. We'll get to it, but let's start with some small wins. I've been needing to clean my makeup brush and organize this drawer. This is actually so tidy. When we went on a trip, I threw random travel size things in here. Let's get that organized. Pregnancy test, I can't get rid of them. I just can't. Ah. I have had this same makeup bag from the dollar section at Target. I think it was like $5 for so many years, and I've tried to replace it because it's like peeling and falling apart, but I cannot find anything that I love as much as this. It's just like the perfect size, the way it opens. This is the entirety of my makeup collection. Keep it very minimal. I've really been meaning to update you guys on where I've landed with my non-toxic makeup. I'll have to do that in a separate video. If you want that, let me know. I have always just applied my makeup with my fingers, but since I have been loving the Merit line, well, first of all, their products just generally blend so well, but their blending brush is amazing. I've been loving this, but I have not washed it in like a couple of months. That's disgusting. I'm just going to use a tiny tinge of Branch Basics Concentrate, my favorite non-toxic cleaner. I mean, you literally need like the tiniest amount. I don't know why I have such a big bowl for one tiny makeup brush. Well, yeah, clearly that needed to happen. Oh my gosh, I'm disgusting. I feel like this drawer is the perfect example of when you have a system set up that's working, nothing ever gets disorganized. Like, you don't have to continually clean and organize and maintain. I have my whole Primally Pure products. Everything has a little spot. I mean, it just works. It just works. Okay, yep, that's some heavy mail. I am very excited about all of these packages. This first one is from Perfect Supplements, which is by far my go-to for most of the supplements that I take. This is such a hilarious order. Look at this. I got 3 of my Epsom salts magnesium bath soak. These are truly just one of my favorite luxuries in life. I swear by magnesium baths. I have loved them since I've been pregnant. I ran out and I tried to never run out. So that's why I stocked up on 3 at a time. And then literally 3 bottles of the hydrolyzed collagen. This is my go-to pasture-raised, grass-fed, really quality collagen. Unfortunately, a lot of the collagens on the market, especially some of the leading brands, are known to have heavy metals in them. I trust Perfect Supplements so much. The amount of testing and third-party testing and quality sourcing that they do is incredible. I love collagen for so many reasons. I talk about this obviously in my Gut Glow program. Collagen is so important for the health and the integrity of your gut lining. It's a really easy to sneak in a million different places source of protein, which is so important. I can almost guarantee you as a woman, if you're not really conscious of it, you are not getting enough protein. And especially while I'm pregnant, I'm just really focused on protein quantity, quality, balancing my blood sugar, and getting enough of the building blocks that I need to build build this beautiful, miraculous human growing inside me. So collagen is a huge part of my daily routine. The reason I get 3 at a time is because if you buy 3 or more perfect branded products, you get 20% off. If you buy 6, you get 25% off. And then my code Mollie stacks on top of that for an additional 10% off. I shop with this too, y'all. This is the same code I get. It's an amazing deal. You can mix and match with other products too. I love their acerola cherry. I love their beef liver. I love so many other products. I just was stocked on everything. So I just went for 3 of the collagen. We'll do a little supplement reorganization as well. Okay, next order. Ooh, I got my birthing ball, my pregnancy ball. It even comes with a blow up machine. Got a pretty nudish pink color. Oh my gosh, there's like a whole book. Wait, this is amazing. Huh, that's really cool. Even though I'm only in my first trimester, I want to be working on healthy pelvic floor, strengthening my core and all that good stuff. So I might experiment with sitting on this while I work at my desk instead of my chair for a couple hours a day, including my walking pad. So we'll blow that up later. Oh, I just get so giddy every time I get one of these orders in. Primarily Pure, Primarily Pure. Oh, I seriously get so giddy. This just feels like such a luxury every time I open this order. Oh, I stocked up on some of my pre-loved essentials, the cleansing oil, the clarifying serum. I got the deodorant trio. I am obsessed with this deodorant. I have tried, sorry for the dog snorts. I have tried, I'm not kidding, like every non-toxic deodorant on the market. None of them have worked as well as this one for me. Specifically the blue tansy, that is my favorite of all the ones I tried. So this time I just straight up ordered 3 of the blue tansy. You get a little bit of a discount if you order the trio, so I just went for 3 of those. I got a candle. I've never ordered candles from them. Let's see if it smells good. Oh my gosh, that smells like absolute heaven. It's literally beeswax, coconut oil, and lavender and peppermint oil. I figured this would be a good one to stick in the bathroom to light anytime we have guests over. Right now I have a cute little mini candle, but it's one of the toxic ones, so that's exciting. And then I got the baby balm. This I plan to use on baby for diaper rashes or any needs like that. I love tallow. I swear tallow has completely transformed my skin. But I also am planning to use this on my bump, stretch marks, bump and boobs, baby. Okay, and then I got the crisp smoky woods candle. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That literally smells like a Christmas tree in the best way. Not in that like fake way, in that like real I'm in the forest way. Oh, I can't wait for Christmas time. The clarifying mist might be my favorite of all the products. Well, that's not true. It's the best smelling of the products. It makes me feel the most luxurious for sure. And I went ahead and got the mask trio. I love their masks. Final package. I know this is so random and maybe slightly excessive and embarrassing. This is so much bigger than I thought it would be. Oh. Y'all, I cannot find a solution. Hang on. I feel like this seems so ridiculous, but I have this recipe tin, again, I think from the Target section like a million years ago for $3 or something. It is filled with gift cards and old cards and gift certificates and things. I feel like this has worked, kind of. I know it's in here, but then when I need to find something, it's just straight up chaos in here. I don't know a lot of the gift cards that I have and then I forget to spend them. I have a lot of merchandise returns from like TJ Maxx or whatever and Home Goods. I'm like, I need to remember to use these. Cashmere even requested. He doesn't request things often. He was like, can we get more organized with that? So I've been trying to find a solution and I can't find something. I ordered a card organizer, greeting card organizer, only because I also tried dividers, but because this doesn't have like a system where they're like hanging on a rack, it was a cluster. It like did not work. But this is like so massive and ginormous. I don't need it to be this big. What do I do? Should I try it? Let's try it. I feel like that does not work. That does not work. Maybe I just need to group them and put a sticky note and rubber band them together. That is unnecessary. Oh gosh. Okay, we got this. So not perfect, but a million times better. And this is gonna get returned. Are you guys ready to see the problem area? I can't believe I'm gonna show you this. Oh my gosh. I mean, this is so bad. That's the problem. Okay, all right, okay. We gotta settle in for this. This is, quite frankly, what I'm especially embarrassed about. This is bad. This is a massive tub of supplements. If I can defend myself a little, the vast majority of this was sent to me. I have been lucky to work with supplement companies who have sent me stuff for free. The problem is the stuff that I actually use, I go through. So most of this that has been sitting in this for years, number one, is probably expired. Number two, it's sitting here because I don't use it. I don't even know how to tackle this. I think I need to treat this like clothing. A throwaway pile, a donate pile. Because some of this is good, but I just don't need it. I can give it away to a friend or someone who could use it. I would honestly consider doing a giveaway for you guys, except for I don't know if legally I can do that because this stuff has been sitting in my pantry. So I don't even know where to start. But here's the problem. Here's the other problem. This looks way worse right now. These things have just been shoved in here. I theoretically like kind of have a system. I have these bins and they're labeled. Because they're like stackable bins, they're just really challenging to get to. It's just a mess. It's just a mess. So my solution was to install these. I'm really hoping this is gonna help make things more accessible, easy to see and organized. I mean, this is out of control. I have not had a yeast infection in 6 years. Why do I even have these? I don't know. Yep, we're gonna get ruthless. Update since the kitchen organization blog. This is quite literally one of the best things I've ever done. I can't even tell you how amazing this has been. Everything has a spot. It's constantly organized. It's like, wow, it's amazing. I feel like I owe y'all this confession. I shared in my non-toxic swaps video that I use drops for laundry, which I did and I have, and I personally really enjoyed. I still use the drops for the dishwasher. Absolutely love them. They're great. Clean my dishes, easy, non-toxic. But my sweet husband was not super pleased with how our clothes were coming out of the wash. He just felt like they weren't quite as soft. He was feeling like things were itchy. Instead of washing all his clothes in toxic detergent and mine separately, I'm gonna find you a non-toxic detergent that you like. So I tried Mollie Suds. The reviews on this were really good. It is a ultra concentrated powder, which I always prefer something that's not like liquid detergent. So then you just have sticky, yucky soap. Really clean, non-toxic. I tried the peppermint. It doesn't have any fragrance, just like actual peppermint essential oil. Then I also bought the dryer sheets because I think this was part of what he was feeling different. With the drops, I have these, which are the fabric softener that you add to the wash. Most dryer sheets, so full of toxic chemicals you don't even want to know, but these are really clean. This one specifically is a peppermint, just has peppermint essential oil. He has loved it. He's definitely said he's noticed a difference in how his clothes feel. Just wanted to share that if you have tried drops for laundry, if you're looking for something different. So I'm gonna restock this Mollie Suds now as our main detergent. We're gonna keep his laundry clean and fresh and feeling good without the toxins. Now I need to label that. And now I know I need to order more of this.
I hung out a lot at his house, so when the glass was fed, I started teasing me of me and me. And I told her I really am in the middle of nowhere. Didn't know around a lot.
Back to this. Why does this one feel so hard? It's okay, we can do this. Just one item at a time. All right, that took so much longer than I had hoped, but look at that decluttering we just did. Now check it out. Oh my gosh, so much better. I really feel like this is significantly going to reduce the stress in my life. What do you think? Does it look better? And just like that, our home feels so much more peaceful. I have to say, since getting pregnant with this miracle baby, I have been practicing the art of not taking the little things for granted. Even in the mundane tasks of cleaning the dog slobber off my windows, I try to remember to just practice gratitude for everything, for the fact that we have these windows in this beautiful warm home and all these things I get to organize. I've just been thinking a lot about how often we let our blessings become our burdens and we just wish away the current season that we're in. We waited so long for this miracle and now we have to wait to meet this baby. But I know there's purpose in the waiting and I want it to refine me and I don't want to take a single second for granted. So as you go tidy up your own home, I hope you bring that heart of gratitude. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, and I've got more videos for you to watch next. If you want all the dirty inside details of my kitchen organization, you can check out this one. And if you want another life reset, getting our lives together, this one's for you. I'll see y'all soon.